Most men try to make women obsessed by giving more attention, texting more, being available. But that does the opposite. Here's what actually works 97% of the time. You meet a girl you like, so you text her constantly. You're always available. You make her your priority. And she loses interest because you're doing what every other guy does. You're chasing, you're proving, you're trying. And the moment you try to make someone obsessed, you've already lost. Step 1. Become unpredictable. Women get obsessed with what they can't figure out. Not because they're playing games, because uncertainty creates fascination. The book Attached explains this. When someone is predictable, your brain stops paying attention. But when they're unpredictable, your brain stays alert, trying to decode the pattern. So stop being so available. Sometimes you text back fast. Sometimes you don't. Sometimes you're free. Sometimes you're busy.
Not as manipulation, but because you actually have a life. You're unpredictable because you're interesting, not because you're playing games. Step 2. Give her emotional highs and space. Most men are flat. Same energy every day. Same conversations. Boring. But obsession happens in the valleys and peaks. You make her feel amazing when you're together. Then you disappear for a day or two. She feels the high when you're there. She feels the craving when you're gone. That's not toxic. That's how attraction works. The book Rejection Proof calls this intermittent reinforcement. It's the same reason people get addicted to slot machines. You're not always available, so when you show up, it matters. Step 3. Let her chase you. The rule is simple. Whoever invests more gets attached more. If you're always planning dates, always texting first, always making effort, you're the one getting obsessed. But if you let her text you first sometimes, let her ask to see you, let her plan something, now she's invested. And the more she invests, the more she values you. The book, Codependent No More, teaches this. Stop doing all the work. Let her meet you halfway. If she won't, she was never that interested. Step 4. Don't tell her everything. Most men overshare trying to create connection. They trauma dump. They explain their whole life story on date 2. But obsession thrives on mystery, not lies. Mystery. Don't post your entire day on social media. Don't explain where you were. Don't volunteer information she didn't ask for. When she asks what you did today, say something simple. Just handled some things. Then change the subject. She'll wonder. She'll imagine. She'll try to figure you out. That's obsession. Here's the key. You can't make someone obsessed while you're obsessed with them. The moment you need her attention, you lose her interest. But when you genuinely have a life, goals, purpose, when she's just a part of your world, not your whole world, that's when she can't stop thinking about you. Stop chasing. Start living. Comment, she's chasing me now. See you next time.